Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up attendance in Canvas. First, access your course and click on Settings in the Course Navigation menu. Then, select the Navigation tab. You'll find Attendance or Roll Call Attendance in the list of hidden items. Drag it to the Active section above and remember to click Save at the bottom of the page. This simple step activates the Attendance tool, making it ready for use in your course. Once enabled, click on Attendance in your course navigation. You'll see a gear icon in the upper right corner. Click it to access the roll call settings. Here, you can customize how tardiness affects a student's score. The default for a late mark is typically set to 80% of a full day's presence. You can adjust this percentage using a slider to align with your specific course policies, ensuring fair grading. With your settings configured, recording attendance is straightforward. Open Roll Call Attendance and use the calendar icon to select the correct date. For each student, simply click the status icon next to their name. A single click marks them present with a green check. 2 clicks mark them absent with a red X, and 3 clicks mark them late with an orange clock. An unmarked circle indicates an excused absence, providing flexibility. Finally, you can manage and export your attendance data. The Roll Call Attendance tool automatically creates an assignment in your gradebook, typically worth 100 points. You can easily adjust this total point value by editing the Roll Call Attendance assignment in your course's assignment section. To export a detailed report, click the gear icon in the Attendance tool, then select Attendance Report to download a CSV file for your records or further analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.